I show you how to make rose lace motif. Start with 8 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make slip stitch the first chain. One chain, 3 single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 1 half double crochet. Next 13 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, the last. 1 half double crochet and the last slip stitch, the last single crochet and slip stitch. This finish the first round. Start the second round with 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 2 stitch. 1, 2. Next stitch, make single crochet and 5 chain again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitch. 1, 2. Make single crochet. Do the same like this around the last of the second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last stitch, make slip stitch. 6 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start the third round with 1 chain. 1, and make 6 single crochet in the first space. The first space, 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 single crochet between the first hole and the second hole. Here, 1 single crochet. In the second hole, make single crochet, 1 single crochet, and half double crochet 1 time, and double crochet 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between the hole, make 1 single crochet. Next hole, make 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 4 triple crochet. open 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 double crochet. 1, 2, finish the third hole. 1, 2, 3, and next the fourth hole, do the same like the third hole. Between this make 1 single crochet. Next hole, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and 4 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and next the same pattern like this, like the second. Between hole, make single crochet. Next 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and half double crochet 1 time, half double crochet, and single crochet 1 time, 1 single crochet. The last hole, make the same like the first 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last make slip stitch. Now we finished those motif.